Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechK3. This is the second part of Metasploit framework for beginners. If you didn't see first part, link in description box below. I am using Kali Linux OS in VirtualBox. In first part, we have studied about different types of modules in Metasploit. Let's have a deep discussion about them, so that it will be clear and freehand in using Metasploit for penetration testing, hacking. First, let's see the things we have in Metasploit. Type C, D, User, Share, Metasploit, Framework. You can see it is selected. List them by Command L, S. Let's see about modules here. Type CD modules. List. As in first part, we have 7 modules. Auxiliary, encoders, evasion, exploits, NOPS, payloads and post. First let's see about exploits. CD exploits. List. An exploit executes a sequence of commands that target a specific vulnerability found in a system or application to provide the attacker with access to the system. You can see various things like Android, AIX, Linux, Windows and many more. We can do exploit in any type of operating systems, servers and applications listed here. We can also install any extra if we want. This is detailed files mentioned here as root. This means the following exploits must have root access to exploit the target. Let's try CD Windows and see what's there inside. We can see here antivirus, browser, SQL, VNC, firewall, games, email and many more. You can use the exploit for any of them. Let's go back and see the another module. Now, let's check about payloads. Payload, in simple terms, are simple scripts that the hackers utilize to interact with a hacked system. Using payloads, they can transfer data to a victim system. Metasploit payloads can be of 3 types. Singles. Singles are very small and designed to create some kind of communication, then move to the next stage. For example, just creating a user. Staged, it is a payload that an attacker can use to upload a bigger file onto a victim system. Stages. Stages are payload components that are downloaded by Stages modules. The various payload stages provide advanced features with no size limits such as meterpreter and VNC injection. Now let's go back and see about another module, that is auxiliary. In Metasploit, any module that is not an exploit is an auxiliary module. Exploit modules always have a payload. Auxiliary modules are a fascinating feature of the framework, allowing it to extend for a variety of purposes other than exploitation. These are basically used as keyloggers, fuzzers and many more. Let's go back and see about encoders. By default, Metasploit will select the best encoder to accomplish the task at hand. The encoder is responsible for removing unwanted characters entered when using the B switch. We have different types of encoders like CMD, generic, PHP, Ruby. These are used in generating payloads in applications and servers. Now let's see about NOPS. NOPS are no operation instructions that simply slide the program execution to the next memory address. We have different types of NOPS like Arch64, ARM and many more. These are used in attacking the specific target system and allow us for free operation. These are also used to exploit the buffer overflow. Finally, let's see about post. Post exploitation refers to any actions taken after a session is opened. A session is an open shell from a successful exploit or brute force attack. A shell can be a standard shell or meterpreter. This post exploitation works for Android, iOS, hardware, Linux, and many other services. These allow us to do our operation like keylogging after exploiting a payload successfully. Now let's see in the Windows post. There we can see capture, escalate, gather, manage, WLAN. After exploiting a payload successfully, the post service help us to do a capture or gather files and other things in the target system. Now let's see what's there inside the gather. You can see there are many Ruby files to exploit the credentials, forensics, and many more. In this way, the post helps us in maintaining a connection between attacker and victim system. This part, we have seen the different types of modules and uses of it. In the next part, let's see exploiting a victim system and getting control of it completely. If our video helped you, do like and share it with your friends. Because sharing is caring. If you want a video about something, do let us know in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for more interesting videos.